Today we are going to see how to install our new series of routers, that is Aquila Pro AI. So first of all, you need to download an application called Aquila Pro AI app from the Google Play Store. Okay, I'll just repeat the name of the app. It is Aquila Pro AI app. So once you download, just power on the device. Okay. So right now the device which I am installing is M30. So before starting the installation, what you can do is after the router is power on, you can just look for the Wi-Fi network, and you have to connect to the Wi-Fi network of the router, that is M30. So right now I'm already connected to the M30 router. So just click on the plus sign. It will ask you to scan. So you have to scan the QR code which is located on the bottom side of the router. You have to select the option as setup as router and make sure that the internet cable is connected to the internet port on the router. So just go next. LED is blinking orange, so click on that. Country, right now India is not listed here, but in future it will come. So service provider, obviously country India is not there, so service provider will not be there. So just click on I can't find one. Okay, so then it will ask you for the wireless network setup, set your Wi-Fi name and password. So you can just type some Wi-Fi name of your choice. Right now I'll just type test M30. Password I'll write it as T-Link 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So if you see, it should be at least 10 to 63 characters. So at least 10 characters. Just go next. Now it is asking you for device name. Device name you can just write M30. Device password is the router login password, so that you can write it as admin 1 2 3 4 5. This is used to get the access of the router through the browser. So these are the settings what we have done. Okay, Wi-Fi password is dealing 1 2 3 4 5. Just go next. Okay, so it is configuring now. Okay, once the setup is completed, it will ask you to connect to the new Wi-Fi name what you have created during the setup. So I'll just try to connect to that name. I'll just see. Dealing 1 2 3 4 5 is the password. So I can see test M30. Got connected. Okay, so once connected, you can just go back to the app. You can select I have connected. So we show finish. Okay, so this is how you will see the interface in the application. That is Aquila Pro AI app. Okay, so I have already installed the router. Right now one client is connected, which is my mobile phone. So this is how the installation is done for the M30 router. Now we are going to see how to add mesh extender to the Aquila Pro devices. Right now the router which I am using is M30, and I have one more M30 which I am trying to add to this M30 router as an extender. So what you need to do is my main router M30 is already installed, and I have already opened this application Aquila Pro AI app, So if you see on the top right corner, you will see the plus sign. So just click on that. It will ask you to scan the QR code. So you have to scan the QR code of the second router, that is M30, another one, which I am to use as a mesh extender. So I'll just click on scan and I'll scan the QR code. You have to select setup as an extender. So it will ask you extending home network. Okay, so you just select extend. So it will ask you whether you need to do wirelessly or wired. So obviously we are doing mesh, so we'll select wirelessly. So just select wirelessly. Next. Make sure that the LED is blinking orange on that device, the second device. It will show searching for the device. So basically it will give you a message, connect to the device, which is the second one which you are trying to configure as extender. So you have to click on connect. So it has already connected to the second one. Okay, so now it will try to sync it up with the first one. So if we could remember, the first device was set up with test M30 router. I mean, test M30 was the Wi-Fi name of the first router. So once you sync it up, the second device will also take the same Wi-Fi name and the same password. So right now I'm not connected to the main one, so I'll just have to connect to that M30 again, because now we were configuring the second one, it got connected to the second one. Okay, so test M30 we have to connect. Okay, so we are connected again to the main router. Then go to the application, you select I have connected. Now it is synchronizing the second one, that is the mesh extender with the first router. Okay, so once it is set up, it is asking you to place your device and recheck. So you have to place the device in the area where you want to extend the wireless coverage. Okay. Just click on next. So extended name is same as the first one. So just click on finish. Just click on test M30, which is the name of your mesh network. I have connected. So right now M30 is showing online. Just click on that. Okay, so if you see, it will show here extenders. One extender is already there. Okay, just one. Okay, so if you see, the mesh extender is already added now. Okay, so there is one main router which is M30, and there is one more mesh extender which is M30, which is already added as a mesh. So this is how you do mesh extender setup. So if you want to add one more, you can just click on this plus sign, and then you can add more mesh points to this Aquila Pro. Thank you.